Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a supported Windows build before we begin. First, sign into an administrator account and confirm your Windows version. This avoids compatibility blocks. Next, test network reachability by switching to a mobile hotspot or known good Wi-Fi so we isolate corporate or router filtering. Finally, temporarily disable any third-party firewall or VPN while you troubleshoot. Make sure to re-enable it afterward. Once done, you'll be ready to run the first set of system checks and connectivity tests. Now perform targeted repairs to restore access. Run WS Reset EXE as an administrator to clear the store cache. This often resolves sign-in and listing errors. Then open services and ensure Windows Update, Microsoft Store Install Service, and Background Intelligent Transfer Service are set to automatic and currently running because the store relies on them. If problems persist, launch PowerShell as admin and re-register the store package using the appropriate AddApps package command. This rebuilds the app registration. Make sure to restart the machine after each major change. Finish by verifying connectivity and account state. Check for proxy settings or restrictive DNS. Temporarily switch to 8 or 1 to rule out name resolution issues. Sign out of the Microsoft account in Settings Accounts, reboot, and sign in again to refresh tokens and entitlement checks. If a group policy or MDM blocks the store, you'll need IT to lift the restriction or apply an exception. Troubleshooting tip: if the store still won't load, capture the event viewer error and consult IT with that log for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.